Once upon a time, there was a young person that wanted to make a change in the world. So when he was 20, he wanted to bring the change and actually change the world into a better place. So he started working for that. After some time, he realized that the change cannot happen just like that. So he started to work for his country. He was working and trying to change the things and changing just like by one. And in some time, he realized that in order to actually make that change, he needs to start from something little. So he started to work together with his city and with his community. After some years, he realized that actually the change, in order to make the change, he needs to start from the people and not from the community. So he started working with his friends and with the people around him. Some more years passed, and then like a bit with the all the wisdom that he gathered during all this time, he realized that in order to make the change he wants to bring into the world, he needs to start with himself and bring this change in himself. um, this story for me is really really important because it says a bit of who I am and what I really enjoy. I'm really really lucky because I'm 23 years old, and I'm now here living in Colombia away from home, discovering actually this world that needs this change and discovering myself in order to bring this change into the world. I hope to see you soon. Isaac, from my point of view, what it means is discovering yourself in order to get to make the impact that we need to generate in this world. So we need to work together in order to really really achieve this. Hope to see you soon. I am Mihaela or Mishu. I come from Romania and I'm not now proudly working in ISEC in Colombia, and I hope to see you in Guatemala.